Hi, I'm David and welcome to Swan Care. In this video we're going to be talking about the Powerplush Turbo. So in this video we're going to talk you through how to maintain and care for your Powerplush Turbo. So firstly we'll disassemble the vacuum cleaner, take the head off, take the tube off. And as I'm sure you're aware, this is the dust cup, so this is where all the waste goes. So you probably should be changing this or emptying this probably every 2 or 3 goes with your vacuum cleaner. So this is the easy part. So this part can be washed under the sink, fully cleaned, and then left to dry for 24 hours. Inside you have the filters, which a lot of people forget about. So these are also very important. You should be cleaning this at least once a month, just to maintain the suction. And it comes apart like so. Take this part out, and then take these filters out from the inside. As you can see, this one hasn't been done for a while. Again, this part can be washed and again left to dry for 24 hours. Again, this should be rinsed under the sink till the water runs clear and then left to dry for 24 hours. And then this fine filter here, just to stop all the last bits of particles getting to the engine. This again should be washed until the water runs clear and then dried for 24 hours. If you don't let it dry for 24 hours, what will happen is when you reassemble it, the dust will almost become like a fine concrete and will make the suction even worse. So it's very, very important that you clean these parts, these filters regularly to maintain the suction of your product. Check your floor heads. So the Powerplush head is tangle free, so you shouldn't get too many hairs tangling up here, but you may get them on the small wheels here. Again, just use a small knife or something and just pick them away just to maintain that. Also on the power brush, this just unclips here. Take the clip off there and then pull the head out like so. And then make sure all the hairs are removed off here. You might need a knife or something just to cut away the hair, but make sure that's all gone from there. Also, the last bit to check is the pollen and dust filter here. Again, that can be rinsed and dried as well. This is probably more hard wearing, and this is like the last part where the air flows out. Again, you know, you can give that a wash. It probably doesn't need as maintaining as much as the other parts. But yeah, again, if you break it or damage it, all these parts are available on our website. Great, now it's 24 hours later and all your parts and filters are dry. Now we're going to reassemble it. So firstly, starting with the power brush head. A little bit tricky this one, but just clip it in and then put the clip in. Like so. Filters. So the foam filter goes over the top of this filter. Just nudge it on. And then this filter goes in this filter, like so. It doesn't clip in, it just sits in loose on the top. And then you get this bit and reattach it to the inside until it's locked. Then finally place the dust cup in like so. And then feel free to add your other parts, pole and the heads. Simple.